Welcome back to another episode of Boosted in the Boonies. Today we're gonna finish fitting and welding in subframe connectors on the Camaro, and Bert is trying to get the carburetor tuned a little better because we got the car running. And then if we have enough time when we get that done, we're gonna go and weld some on the laser. We'll be right back after the intro. There's no fabrication in it. It's put the back together like it was.
Go watch your mouth.
You can quack it out
Quack.
or something.
Quack. Yeah. Oh yeah, I can put little sounds in. and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's see if we can get this thing to start and run a little better. We gotta check the transmission fluid with it idling. Here, hold this.
I need to keep my finger out of the way.
Okay, you got it?
I guess.
See what happens.
Let's do it.
Like that. Oh no.
I don't think we got enough.
We're gonna put a
I don't
charger.
think we got enough fuel for the cam.
I think
She
we
sounds
need.
thirsty.
I think we need to retard the timing a little too.
Oh yeah, you
It's
said.
the only industry we can say that in anymore.
Let's go this way. Just too much. Just a little. We need a battery charger. You have a bigger one, don't you?
No.
What happened to it? Did it quit? Wasps?
Yeah.
Okay.
He got stung.
Wasp done me. I ended wasp home.
Oh. So the wasp didn't destroy it, you did.
Yeah. Because they were in it.
I see.
And I came back.
Well, that'll do something.
You stung me on my hand 3 times.
I think it's running a little rich. Smells like it anyway. It is a gigantic carburetor for this thing. It's going to take effort. You're standing on it.
I don't know how well or fast this is going to charge us.
Nah, we don't need much, I don't think.
We can weld and resume this later. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. What is that all about?
I told you.
Look at this. Please watch our videos so we can buy a battery charger.
I just gotta recruit it. But I was like, okay, that'll work.
It's the best we got. That's
I
what we
killed
got.
my other one.
What is this thing?
And if anybody wants to sponsor us, we're down for that too.
Let's see here. There we go. Can you hold this? This giant thing. It's squirting. Try again.
Once it fires up, it's okay though. Then it charges.
Away from the business end.
You were rock and roll time.
Doesn't like it.
We gotta do something else.
Okay. I don't really like this cap being loose like it is. I guess we wait. I can't really take the seat out.
You can, but not.
I have to take the seat belts out too.
Is it yours?
No, that's
Guess I can just unbolt the seat and kind of move it out of the way. I don't know. The 9/16 ratchet wrench isn't over here.
Very good chance it's laying back there behind my laser. Only doing that.
In this one.
Behind it on the toolbox.
Oh,
Or off the box.
found it. Thought you meant behind the seat. This place is just too big. You have to walk too much. All right, we can go up. All right, I gotta grab the welder. Got us a Lincoln Power MIG. And a 100-foot cord.
Like 50.
It's long. Oh, getting low. Low. Yeah, it's pretty low.
That's what it did the last time, remember? And you started welding and it went up.
Did it? I don't remember which welder that was.
It was this one. Maybe it's low.
I don't know.
I know it's went up since I walked over here. It's slapping on it.
Well, if you beat anything hard enough, it'll go up.
That's what she said.
It's still going up.
It's delayed. The Viagra hasn't kicked in yet. Give it a minute. But if it's over 4 hours, consult a welder.
Which side you gonna start on this one?
Whichever one you want to pick up first, I guess. We need the bolts for it. Right there's one. And we're gonna need the transmission jack. Does that need to come back down? The transfer?
Yeah.
It does? Oh, it might over there.
Yeah. Right there. I really hit it that good.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, because the line up there. You'll go ahead and throw the other one up here too.
Yeah, sure. Just don't hit me with it. Forward.
Yeah.
A little more. There you go.
The washing jigger's bent more on this side.
Oh, too far. Oh, right there. It needs to be twisted over here up. I'm through the car part. I just can't connect or get through the subframe part. There we go.
What's that low so it wasn't digging?
I wouldn't even worry about it. Just put the transmission jack under it.
Sure.
And put like a block of wood so that it's further away from the top of the transmission jack. Now this one, I'm gonna need to do something to pull that together. Pull that together, or bend it over.
Where'd them pliers go that you just had?
Those C clamps that I have back there would work better for that probably.
Yeah.
Less likely to bend the body. Well, they don't fit amazing, but the car has been through a lot. Back in 2009, I rear-ended a Toyota Camry and shoved the whole core support all the way to the engine. Actually, you can see this bumper support is all wrinkled from that. All that right there. Give you an idea, see there's a tear. You can compare it to this side, which isn't nearly as bad, looks much better. It's all flat.
Don't have your hammer.
Just fill the gap.
I think we should smack it with a hammer after I get it tacked in place.
Yeah.
Just a little more this way. That way, not that far. 'Cause I'm in the middle of the two welds, so it's not in my way.
Gotcha. Great thinking. And maybe on this way.
You can spin it around.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Well, the most important connections are right here and back there.
We got it right here too.
Yeah.
Flushes to be.
Yeah, so I don't know if we can bend that much. We'll try, but the cage is in the way right there.
Oh, then no, we can't bend that down.
Okay.
We can. I can get you a little piece of metal to.
We can definitely smack that part down.
But it's gonna mess these guys up
Maybe.
and tweak them. And just put a flat piece.
If you got one, get a bent piece and stick it in there.
Okay. I'll put something.
All right. We're gonna get this welded up. I'll be back.
Of course, as soon as we turn the camera on, it'll start popping and cracking.
It was that one, the same spot on the other side that welded like garbage.
Okay.
Better.
I don't know if I got a good shot of that or not, but I tried. Looks wild in the camera though. It's just like a blue flash.
You can get that in the work, can't you?
Yeah.
You can light over there.
Doesn't hurt. Come on.
Don't get down low. Sit in the flow again.
Here, let me get. There we go.
That one had some garbage in it.
All I think I got was the wrench. Or the
Wrench?
or the pliers. I don't know.
No more on that inside. There he goes.
Custom fit.
Just kissing.
Hit it with the fire.
I'm gonna try it back here this time. Nope. Yeah, yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. I didn't want you to know I was that close.
We need a weld filter for the camera.
more action shots. Once we weld this guy right here, we might want to try to push this guy up with this guy. Yeah. Oh. It's on fire inside of the frame. There you go.
Do this one, man. Ready?
Yep. There's no way in heck I can get up in there with a camera. What are you looking for?
More places to weld.
We're back. We got done welding. Bert's gonna show you what it did.
We got all this welded up. Got it attached to the body.
Looks pretty good. It's hard to focus on this. My eyes won't focus on the camera.
Your eyes won't focus on the camera?
Nope.
Oh, then that's not the camera's fault.
Got all the suspension done. It's bolted back up.
Welded up here. Turned out to be really dirty up there. We decided not to weld it. I'm really bad at this.
Pretty much done under here, except fixing the wires on the transmission cooler that fell out while we had it hanging there.
Oh, hell.
That's no big deal.
Okay.
That'll take care of it under here.
Right.
Get an idea of where it's at.
Center it. Align it.
I think I already centered it when I first put the rear end under there. It's hard. You can't judge it when it's up though, because the panhard bar pulls it to the right when it goes down. So we have to have it on. Have the weight on the car. It's about ready to take some 4,000 RPM launches though. All right, a couple more things. Let's see if we can check this transmission fluid. All right, it's the next day. We've been doing a lot of stuff off camera. We got new plug wires, new spark plugs in it. The frame connectors are finished up. I got some paint on the welds. We set the pinion angle. What else did we do, Tyler? A little bit of wire management. Oh, we modified the distributor for the ignition box.
And programmed the MSD.
Yeah, we programmed the MSD, so it has an actual timing curve now, which is on this laptop in here. Let's see if it'll come on. There we go. All right, I don't know if you can see this. So I got a little bit of a timing curve built into this. I got that little slope there to help keep it at idle. I watched a video and apparently people says that helps. We got all the rev limiters set for the max RPM, the launch limiter, and the burnout limiter. And that's wired up to the buttons on the shifter. Here in a few minutes, we're gonna move some cars out of the way so we can take the car outside and try to drive it some, see how it goes. We'll be back when we get it out there. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're pulling it out now.
Well, I'd say that was a successful first drive.
Yeah, we got oil everywhere. I need some breathers for the valve covers. Oh well, it ran. It went down the road.
Yeah.
It has brakes. It has go. And definitely has oil pressure. It's all over.
You got some cleaning to do.
That's okay. All right.
Look at the gold.
Yeah, it's got a nice finish now on the headers. They're not silver anymore. Man, how did the oil get right here though? Is my question.
Just blew out of it.
Wouldn't it have blown that way though? Maybe the valve cover's leaking that bad?
Maybe.
It might be since we plugged those.
We didn't plug this one, though.
Well, we plugged one.
I don't know. But
We gotta mess with it some.
Yeah.
I'd call that a success though. It's about done. We got a couple small things to wrap up. Got to mount the hood. Got to get a couple more gauges. I need a temp gauge, oil pressure gauge. I tried to get the stock ones to work, but I can't. The gauge is messed up, the cluster or something. I'm not sure. So that'll be it for this time. We'll see you next time at Boosted in the Boonies.